Hey guys, it's Yaz and welcome back to my travel diaries. Hi guys, so today we had a day off work and to break up the week and enjoy the luscious weather we all went kayaking. So here are a few clips for you to enjoy. Hi guys, so I'm currently in a kayak. Whoa, make sure I don't drop my phone. I'm in a kayak by myself in the middle of this absolute beautiful place. Can you see? Well, of course you can see. It is absolutely breathtaking out here. I'm just kind of like floating on this kayak, so you'll get to see what's going on behind me. And yeah, so Mick today was like, look, the weather is going to be really good, let's not do so much work today and I'm going to take you out on the kayaks. And obviously it's one at a time, it's a one-man kayak, so I'm completely isolated, I'm safe, I'm fine. I don't know if you can actually see me. I've now gone behind the sun. Right, I'm gonna try and spin round and do that again. Okay, I've turned back round. As you can probably tell, I'm not the best kayaker, I'm most experienced, but you know, you win some, you lose some, and it's all about the experience, and we'll get there eventually. I've only been kayaking twice, once when I was really young, and it was probably a disaster. Well, it was a disaster. Just recently when I was in Byron with Robin, we did actually go kayaking together in the sea, but it was a two-man kayak and Robin was at the back, so I kind of relied on her to keep me safe, but even still, like, we still capsized twice. So right now I'm kind of like, ah, but I'll be fine on a one-man kayak in the middle of nowhere by myself. Sound sweet. If you don't hear from me, if this video doesn't upload or if this does upload, you'll know I'm safe. We're doing one at a time, so me, Kirsty and Sam, we're all like the workaways at Airlie Beach guest house at the moment, and we're doing one at a time, just over an hour and a half of kayaking and going round the coast and the bay, and it is beautiful. I mean, this is the sea behind me and in front of me it is breathtaking. I can't get over it enough. So yeah, I thought I would I'd put a few clips together and you can see what I've gotten up to today. And yeah, it's pretty beat, but you'll get to see for yourself. So this is looking back onto Airlie Beach, so this is when I'm coming back from kayaking, and it just gives you a pretty good overview of what the island looks like overall. It's quite small and only has a population of around 1,200. Okay, so this is actually day 2 of kayaking. So this is at Chute Harbour, which is around 10-15 minutes drive away from where I'm staying at Airlie Beach. This is quite like an industrial port, so like where all the food gets taken to the islands and things like that. So yeah, we went kayaking here the day after, and it is equally as beautiful, so you get to see as well. I'm just back from my kayak. I am exhausted, but oh my god, so worth it. It was beautiful. This is me just parked up at the little beach, and yeah, I'm just waiting now for the guys to come pick me up. Can't wait to eat and sleep. I have no words, basically. It was just lush. So overall, my experience kayaking at Airlie Beach was amazing, and I hope you got to enjoy the views with me. Lots of love!